Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today I want us to look at how to install a LED ceiling light. With me here is a Tronic 15 watts LED ceiling light round. This is how it appears. You can see it is sealed. So it comes with the screws here and then the installation plate here. This is the installation plate. The two holes for mounting it on the ceiling are this one. The LED ceiling light is here. The supply cables are here. That is it. Let us install. So this is our supply cable, the one that is supplying our ceiling light. But before we start any installation, we have to put safety first. So let's first switch off the power coming here. So guys, let's first switch off our switch before we start the installation. So guys, here we first have to install our installation plate or the installation bracket, whatever name you can give it. This is the one which we are first going to install up here. You see it has the holes where we put the screws. So since this is a soft board, I will just use a self-tapping screw to fix it up on the ceiling. You put your plate like that where you want it to be properly. Then you bring the screw, you put at one side, one hole, then you just screw. If you are on a concrete wall, you need to drill hole through where you put the screws. So now I'm screwing one side. Now let's fix the other side also, like that. So now we are done putting our installation plate. So guys, this is our LED panel. So this one, we just push it in here. Then it locks. So this is our supply cable. We have the red and the black. The red is our live and then the black is our neutral. So if you can see on our supply cable also, we have got these two cables. We have got black and red. So meaning the black is our neutral and then the red is our live. Now let's do the termination. I'll first start by removing the insulation on this cable. So it is now open. Then now I bring in our LED panel, connect it to our neutral wire. I said if you want to do a perfect work and you have to be safe, you have to disconnect the power first before you can do the termination. So now here I'm connecting the neutral. I don't have connector, that's why I'm just joining the two cables together, then I insulate them. Here what you have to do is you have to make sure that your connection is firm. Now I'm done connecting. You have to just insulate it with an insulation tape. Naked part properly. Now we are done with the neutral. Let me also open the live, then also connect it to the red cable. I bring in our red cable here. So after connecting it also, we have to insulate it also with an insulating tape. Now let me insulate it. So now I'm done connecting the cables. Now we have to just get our ceiling light or ceiling panel and then we fix it on the installation plate or the holder up there. So let's organize the cable bit. We have to organize it like that. Then we push it. You can see it is firm. So we are now done with the installation of our LED panel onto the ceiling. Now we have to go back, switch on our switch, and to see if our light will go on. Having confirmed that all our connection is properly done, we now switch on our switch to see if our light will go on. So now you can see everything is okay and our light is on. So guys, please remember to subscribe to Domestic Tech Guide. Thank you.